It's a new 2019 Jeep Cherokee. Freedom and adventure await in this sophisticated and versatile Cherokee. It boasts an impressive list of features like these: streaming audio, power heated mirrors, heated steering wheel, configurable instrument gauges, remote engine start, front heated bucket seats, inline 4-cylinder engine, active grille shutters, electronic shift on the fly, and automatic transmission. Edmunds.com reveals the 2016 Cherokee can deliver plenty of off-roading capability, but the bigger story is that it's civilized and comfortable enough to drive to work every day. Everywhere you want to go, anything you want to do, Jeep takes you there. Stop in for a test drive and make it yours today.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.